Microsoft 365 lets you add email signatures and legal disclaimers to emails sent by people in your company. Organization-wide signatures and disclaimers are managed using Mailflow rules in Exchange Online. To create a Mailflow rule that adds a signature, open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and navigate to the Exchange Admin Center. Next, go to Mailflow, click the plus icon, and apply disclaimers. Start by clicking More Options, which allows you to define more conditions and exceptions. Name your rule and choose when you want to apply it using the sender condition. You can set up various conditions here. For example, apply the rule only to internal or external emails. To add the signature to all messages sent by users in your company, choose the sender is located inside the organization. In the action field below, make sure that the Append the Disclaimer action is selected. Click Enter Text to open a window in which you can paste your HTML signature code. If you haven't created a signature yet, you can easily design a signature and get its HTML code using a free email signature generator available on this page. Just select Exchange Online as your email platform, pick any signature template, and customize it in any way you want using the available data, graphics, and style fields. Click this button if you want to change the user data you provided into placeholders that will be automatically updated with information from Azure Active Directory. In this way, each email sender will get personalized email signature with their own contact details. Click Apply your signature, Generate, and then copy to get the signature's HTML code. Back in the Exchange Admin Center, paste the HTML code and click OK. Click here to choose what happens when the signature cannot be added, for example, because the message is encrypted. Wrap means that the original message is added as an attachment to a new message envelope, and the signature is added to this envelope. Ignore sends encrypted emails without applying the signature. Reject blocks the email delivery completely. Let's choose the default option, which is wrap. With the current setup, the signature will be added to the bottom of each email conversation. So if you send many emails in the same thread, your signatures will stack at the bottom. To prevent that, you can add a new exception. But first, copy a unique part of your signature, for example, a part of your disclaimer text. Choose the subject or body includes and paste the copied fragment of your disclaimer here. When you click Save, the changes are applied. From now on, personalized signatures are automatically added to emails that meet the conditions you specified. Let's see how this works. So let's say I'm sending a message to another user. The signature is not visible when I'm typing, and it's not in my send items either. But don't worry, it's added by Exchange Online right before it gets to my recipient. And when this person opens my email, the message includes the signature with all my details. Now let's see what happens when I reply inside an email conversation. Normally my signatures would pile at the bottom of the thread. But thanks to the exception I configured earlier, that doesn't happen to my signature. There's always only one signature. But this also means that there are no signatures below each reply and forward. Unfortunately, Exchange Mailflow rules do not support that. One more thing, if an external recipient opens my message, the images are blocked by default, so they need to use a dedicated option to see them. And this is how native email signatures work in Microsoft 365. They are usable, but not perfect. If you want to have signatures added directly below each message in a conversation, display images automatically, simplify signature management in your organization, and more, try Code2 email signatures for Office 365. This is the world-leading email signature service used by almost 30,000 companies in over 150 countries. Yes, this was an ad, and you watched it.